Hello students, today I am going to tell you very short answer type question of chapter 2 investment of saving. So our first question is, what is saving? Answer is, it is a part of income which is kept for future needs. So what do you mean by willingness or to save? Willingness to save means desire to save money. It is important factor which affects saving. If at all a person has power to save, he cannot save in want or willingness to save. Question 3. What is life insurance policy? Life insurance policy is a provision which is so planned that a man makes in his lifetime to provide enough financial security to his family of his dies. Question 4. Name any two kinds of life insurance policy. Answer is, two important life insurance policies are life insurance policy and number 2, Grah Lakshmi policy plan. Question 5. What is the Provident Fund scheme? Provident Fund scheme, it is a scheme applicable to those who are in different services where the institution deduct 10 to 12% from one's salary and adding the same amount deposit into a bank in one's provident fund amount. After retirement, the person get a money with interest. Question number 6 is, what is a traveler check? Traveler check, it is a type of check of denomination of rupees 50 to rupees 100 issued to the depositors for payment in travel. It is accepted at any other place and can be enhanced by banks. In question number 7, name any two national savings certificates. Issue 6th and 7th of 6-year duration. Each are two better NSC issued by Government of India. One can get 12% compound interest payable half yearly. Question number 8. What is Indira Vikas Patra? Indira Vikas Patra is an important scheme started by Government of India. These can be purchased from the post office without seeking any information from the depositor. The money deposited becomes double within 9 years, 10 months. Question 9 is, what is fixed deposit? It is a type of account in which money is accepted for fixed period varying from part of a year to 10 years. The rates of interest vary according to the period but always more than saving bank account. On the expiry of the period, the deposited money with interest is paid to depositor. Question 10. Give two uses of savings. Two main uses of savings are availability of money in need. Number 2, worries-free future. Question 11. Why is the money deposited in bank is called a good deposit? Money deposited in bank said to be good because it is safe. Number 2, it is available when where is need. Number 3, it is used for nation building by the government. Question number 12, should a deprived one save? Answer, a deprived one need not save because saving does not mean that we must deprive ourselves of the present needs and put aside as saving for the unknown future. What do you mean by holdings? Savings that are not wisely and fruitfully invested and are kept in some carefully guarded store and called hoardings. Question 14. How much can a person save? The amount of saving for a person depends upon number 1, power to save and willingness to save. Question 15. Name two institutions where one can invest his savings. The important institution where one can invest his savings are any commercial bank. Number 2, post office. Question 16. What is a bank? A bank is a commercial institution that receives deposit as saving, current and fixed deposit, and also gives commercial, personal, mortgage or other types of loans. Question 17. How can one withdraw money from his bank? Answer is, one can withdraw his money from the bank either through a check or through a withdrawal form. Question 18. What is a passbook? The passbook is a small booklet issued by a post office or a bank in which entries are made whenever a transaction of money is performed by the depositor. Question 19. How can the school-going children save money? School-going children can save through Sanchai Ka scheme. They deposit their money in the bank through their school. Question 20. Who gets benefits of insurance? Insurance is useful to both the insured as well as his or her heir on his death. Question 21. What is cross check? When two parallel lines are drawn on the left side upper corner of the check, it becomes cross check. It is payable in the account of the person in the name it issued. Next question is, name any two saving scheme of the post office. The two important saving scheme of post office are post office time or deposit account. Number 2, 5 years post office recurring deposit scheme. Last question is, what do you mean by Kisan Vikas Patra? Kisan Vikas Patra is a scheme started by Government of India in which money becomes double in 9 years or 10 months. This deposited money is used by the government for various development activities. Thank you.